parcel. I mean, i-claim ko yung parcel na galing po sa kaibigan ko. Medyo late na siya. Regalo niya sa akin nung nakaraang birthday ko, pero ngayon lang kasi siya dumating. So, pick upin natin siya sa post office. Pero po, samahan niyo po ako. So, I'm going to post office to pick up the parcel. Yan.
Okay, I will go.
This is the shortcut. I passed the market. This is the market. This is the way going to the post office. Let's having a tour in the market first. This is the market. So hot, and I'm using umbrella now. Yay! The market was so wide. Oh, so hot. I'm sorry for the noise. I just let you all see the view here. The market view. Totally so hot. Okay, I will go inside this building. The post office was inside, so let's go. Okay, we're here. So I am here now. I reached already the post office, so I'm gonna make sure that the parcel was here. So I don't know which window do I need to go. So let's go over here and take an inquiry. I don't know which window, so I need to read the signage first. Oh, here. The collection is here. Okay, I go to the side to collect this one, the collection. So I am waiting here. The main man was there finding my parcel inside. My ID was inside. He took my ID. I think there is a problem. I don't know if the parcel has received here. He can't find it actually, so we just wait for a while. Oh my god, he cannot find it. I don't know what's happened. I'm waiting here. I almost wait here 5 minutes. I don't know. Still not find the parcel. I don't know what is the problem. Oh, it's here already. He finds it already. Yes. Thank you. I don't know what he's looking for. We go over there, I don't know. He don't want me to receive the parcel. I don't know what's happening. He put back the parcel over there. I don't know. Let's see. So I'm here again. So tiring outside, so hot. So this is the parcel now, which I got in the post office a while ago, and we're gonna open this one. So let's keep on watching and let's gonna check what inside. So let's start to open the box. Let's see what's inside. As everyone knows, this parcel came from Lior. He sent this parcel to me. Actually, my birthday is last June 30, but he just sent this late, so it's better to be late than ever. So it's gonna check what's inside. So it's open now. Let's see. Okay, here we are. The first box is this one. We open this one. What is inside? There's actually a 3 item in the box. Oh, it's a microphone, because I don't have a mic. It's very handy mic. It's a very handy TV handled microphone, a Bluetooth mic, same my microphone before. So this one I can use this outside. I will use this one when I had a day off. So this one. Hello, hello, hello. I can sing now outside. Hello, hello. Thank you, Lior. Thank you. And oh, there's another one. What this one? A speaker with the mic. So cute. So cute. He did an effort to send me a gift. I appreciate it. Wow. There's a name. Jenny. Maybe this inside have also the name. I checked first. Maybe I forget something. Oh, just a cord and the instruction. Okay. And okay. We continue opening this box. Oh, so cute. Very cute. 2 mic. This actually have the 2 mics and 1 portable speaker. So let's open. I'm planning to buy a microphone and speaker actually, but since I have it now, so I don't need to buy, so I can use this one. So handy. When I go to outside, I just put it inside my bag, then I can do the karaoke. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, so cute. The microphone is so cute. See? Very cute. Duet for this one. I like it. And this is the speaker. The last one. Makeup. What is this? Oh, wait. Wireless mic. It's a wireless microphone. Let's see. Cute. This one, a wireless microphone. He spent a lot. I think so. He spent a lot for this one. So that's it for the unboxing, and thank Thank you so much for the effort and for all of these, for the time and effort. Of course, for the money that you spent. Thank you so much. I didn't expect this one, but I thank you because it's a gift, so I accepted it. But I don't need to pay it in return. So that's it for today's unboxing for the gifts, and thank you for made an effort to send it to me here. Thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate it so much, and yeah, I forever thank you for all the support you made on my channel. Thank you so much. And I'm speechless. I'm so happy with the gifts actually. Thank you so much once again, and all of you, thank you for watching. I just speechless. I don't know what to say anymore, but yeah, just thank you for watching, guys. Bye.